Today, I'm going to show you how to outline images in Gimp using a simple method that works great for beginners. This is a really useful technique if you want to make an object stand out, add a border effect, or create cleaner graphics for thumbnails, social posts, or design projects. And the best part is, once you learn this workflow, you can use it again and again on all kinds of images. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump into Gimp and get started. First, open your image in Gimp. Once your file is loaded, you need to select the object or the area you want to outline. For this example, you can use the fuzzy select tool by pressing U on your keyboard, or you can use the foreground select tool if your object has more complex edges. Click on the area you want to isolate. In my case, I'm going to select the background first, and then I'll invert the selection so the object itself is selected. This is a really handy trick if the object is easier to outline by selecting everything around it. After you have the background selected, press Ctrl+I to invert the selection. Now the object you want to outline should be active. At this point, create a new layer. This is important because it keeps the outline separate from your original image, which makes editing safer and easier later on. When the new layer dialog appears, just press OK to confirm. Once the new layer is created, go up to the Edit menu and choose Stroke Selection. This is the step that actually draws the outline around the selected object. A settings window will appear, and this is where you can control how the outline looks. You can adjust the line thickness, the color, and the stroke style depending on the effect you want. If you want a bold border, increase the stroke width. If you want a clean, subtle outline, keep it thinner. After choosing your settings, press Stroke to apply the outline. Gimp will now draw the border on the new layer around your selected object. If everything looks good, the final step is to remove the active selection. You can do that quickly by pressing Ctrl+Shift+A. That will deselect the object and leave you with a clean outlined image. And that's it. You've successfully outlined an image in Gimp. This technique is simple, fast, and very useful for making your visuals more professional. You can use it for logos, product images, cutouts, icons, and more. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.